Good.
تفضل.
Great, yeah, Doctor. Great. Assalamu alaikum. Uh, how are you, everybody? Welcome, gentlemen. And we much appreciate to Dr. Abu Bakr Adamu. He gives us a chance to talk to you. I will talking about my business, my sites here in Saudi Arabia. We are a company. We import from many countries. Our specialized is importing with vegetables and fruits. We have a lot of countries. We work with them. We import with them, and we hope also start with Nigeria. We will see. We want to see the Jigawa product. We have a good experience about that. More than 24 years. We start from 2000. Our company. We import fruit and vegetables, and we have good contracts with many chain of supermarkets here in Saudi Riyadh and another region or another cities. Anyway, this is our specialized. Everybody he knows the vegetables and the fruits. It's very sensitive. It's need take care, not like the dry food. It's a life, It's have a limit time. And I will tell you about Saudi Arabia here in our country. If you visit the supermarket, you will find all of the fruits and vegetable season. Not that some countries when you check there, you will find only the season fruits in that time. No, here in Saudi Arabia, we import from many countries. You will find at the supermarket all the season products from the fruits. And really, we hope to import from Nigeria, inshallah. It's added value for us. And thank you, Doctor. Thank you to give us a chance to explain for your gentleman.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. With regards to importation of other products, what advice will you give the people here that are listening to you, especially potential exporters? Although we have, apart from the vegetables, we have other dry products, which inshallah we're working with you to establish a kind of warehouse and the kind of advice that you need to give them when it comes to importing and the potential with regards to other products apart from vegetables here in Saudi Arabia.
Firstly, before when you export to Saudi Arabia, there is many ways, many methods. But if you export and also make a marketing here, distribute your product, sure you need warehouse. Sure you need warehouse. The warehouse, if you want export dry food, it's ordinary warehouse. But if you will export vegetables or fruits, you need warehouses and refrigerated warehouses, not only warehouse. So it's different about also the cost. You have to find warehouses, have a chiller, have a fridge store. It's available, but the cost is different. It's not like the ordinary warehouse. You understand, Doctor?
Yes, I understand. And then there are certain things like sanitary certificates, that you need, the SFDA certificate in Saudi Arabia. How important is that for anyone who wants to export agricultural products?
Right. Must be you have a certificate, the origin certificate. If you want to export to any countries, you need origin certificate, and also from the agriculture certificate. But here in our country, we have we have permission from the our agriculture Ministry of Agriculture, and also from our KSFD, Kingdom of Saudi Food and Drugs Food and Drugs Authority. Before when we import from your country, we have to get a permission from them. Also, we will send some picture. Sometimes they get some sample from the product. Yeah, but if it's okay, they will accept it directly. No any notice. If there is no any notice for that product, they will accept it. No problem about that certificate. It's the certificate. It's from the both side, from the both side, from our side and your side. Okay, from your side, it's they need the very important certificate of origin.
Thank you so much.
And also, what the product they need? They need the SH code for the product, and copy and picture from the product. That's all.
Okay.
Depends about the country. Yeah, it depends about the country.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Ghani. I would like to take one or two. We would like to take just one or two questions. One or two questions from the listeners. Let's take one or two questions from the listeners. Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Yes, Mr. Ghani Al-Harbi has reiterated his commitment and support. I've told him about the Jigawa State project of exporting agricultural products, and he has expressed his willingness to support in whatever way, inshallah, to support the importation of Jigawa State product to Saudi Arabia, inshallah. So would like, if you have any question, one or two questions, please, you can go ahead and ask.
Assalamu alaikum, Doctor.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Alaikum assalam.
Yeah, I have a question. I heard you mentioning.
Hello?
The connection is very weak, I think.
Yeah, the connection is very weak. Yes.
Is there anybody from this part of the country who has ever shipped anything to Saudi Arabia in terms of those perishable items?
None. Do you what? Can you repeat the question? Please repeat the question for Mr. Ghani.
Yes, I said I heard you mentioning about vegetables being displayed in shows in Saudi Arabia.
No.
Are these part of this vegetables? Was there anybody from this part of the country who shipped anything like that from here?
Okay, so far it's what initiated our conversation, Mr. Ghanim Al-Harbi, earlier on. When we visited the supermarkets, Panda, and the rest of them, I came to Mr. Ghanim Al-Harbi and I told him, Mr. Ghanim, I couldn't find Nigerian vegetables, and we have best vegetables from Nigeria. Original vegetables from Nigeria. Original avocado from Nigeria. Original onion from Nigeria. I said, why are there no Nigerian vegetables in the shelves? And then he told me that no one came to me and said, okay, we have from Nigeria. I said, yes, we do. We have a lot of vegetables from Nigeria. And since then, we have been engaging in communication with him. So far, no one has sent vegetables